Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mary and I am back with another interesting video. So I am going to be cooking for you. I have a new recipe that I would love and I would like it if you try it, because I find it amazing. So let me show you the few ingredients that I have for what you're going to cook today. Today we are going to cook beef mixed with green vegetables, and I have my onions here and ginger. I don't know, for those who have been following my recipes, you have noticed that I love ginger. If you also have garlic, you can also add. And then my 2 small tomatoes, and then the beef itself, and we have the green veggies. You also need some cooking oil. You will also need salt and your favorite spices. So those are the few ingredients I have for our today's recipe. I find this recipe very convenient and it also saves time, so let's get into the cooking. Okay, I'm going to use this medium-sized pan, and the first step, you add some oil in your pan and let it heat for a while. And then add your onions. After the oil has heat up, add your onions. And cook them until they attain your preferences. If you love them golden brown, well and good. If you love them before they attain the goldenish, it's still fine. In my case, they have already started. The onions are now turning golden brown, and I love them before they attain the goldenish color. So let me add my ginger. And if you have the garlic, this is also the perfect time to add the garlic. Stir a little bit and let it cook. You can now add your meat and stir. Now cook until it's ready. Now if the beef is ready, let's add our tomatoes. And now this is the perfect time to add your spices. If you have any spices, turmeric, cumin, mixed spices, or any other that you have, you can add and stir and let it mix with this tomato paste. Now give it some time to cook till the tomatoes are ready. Since the tomatoes are now ready, you can add our vegetables. Then you start to mix. it like 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready. After 2 minutes, you can now taste for your spices and salt. Perfect. Our veggies are ready. So this is what we have cooked. Kindly try the recipe and tell me what you think about it on the comment section. Goodbye, see you in the next video.